Hey my friends, Dave Schramm here from ShrammGuitars.com, and today we're going to look at how I use the vacuum system to attach back braces. Let's go check it out. So here we have a back. The braces are already made and I fit them to the back, and I have these little masking tape blocks that I create that are going to index the brace off of there, so when I put it in the vacuum bag, that'll keep them registered in the right position. So here is my vacuum bag and my vacuum pump. Now let's get set up. So at this point I have my radius disc inside the vacuum bag. Braces are laid out, getting ready to put the glue on them. I have some parchment paper on top of the radius form, and on the right side there I have my breather cloth that's going to help me to get the air equally distributed inside there. All right, now I'm going to put some glue on those braces and put it in the vacuum bag. So for the glue, I'm going to use original Titebond on this. Yes, I just wiped it on my apron. All right, now I'm going to stick this in my vacuum bag. Put my breather cloth on there. Go. Okay, now I'm going to close my bag. And as usual, it sounds like I got the neighbor's gardeners showing up again. Jeez. All right, now attach my vacuum hose. Flip the lever. There we go. I'm gonna give this about 10 minutes, then clean up some of the glue, squeeze out, and then put it back in the vacuum for 30 minutes. Let's take a look at the vacuum bag from this angle. You can see the breather cloth in there. You can see the glue right there at the squeeze out that I'm gonna clean up in about 5 minutes. But, you know, it's got nice pressure on all the braces. So I've taken it out of the bag and getting some of the glue squeeze out here. It's been about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to put it back in the vacuum clamp for 30 minutes. Okay, gonna put it back in the bag. Well, it's been 30 minutes under the vacuum clamp. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out now. I get this vacuum bag from Joe Woodworker. I think it's also veneersupplies.com. I think both of those are his website. I bought this bag, many years ago. All right, let's take this out. There we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on how I use my vacuum clamp system to put the braces on my back. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.